In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Meet chat box efficiently. We'll take you through each step in a straightforward and friendly manner, so by the end you'll feel confident using this feature in your meetings. Let's get right into it. First, you need to open Google Meet. If you're not sure where to go, simply open your preferred web browser, type in Google Meet, and hit enter. You should see the Google Meet landing page come right up. If you're familiar with using Google services, it should look pretty familiar. It's always a good idea to ensure you're signed in to your Google account for a smooth experience. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for the New Meeting button. You'll find this prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a few options. Since we're focusing on getting you into a meeting quickly to use the chat box, you should choose Start an Instant Meeting. This option will immediately create a virtual meeting space for you. Google Meet is handy for not keeping you waiting, just a couple of clicks and you're good to go. After your meeting room opens, you'll notice several familiar video conferencing features. To find the chat, look for the chat icon or the Chat with Everyone link. This is usually located on the right side of the menu. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a chat box slide into view, usually appearing on the right side of your screen, making it easy to continue seeing the video feed simultaneously. Once the chat box is open, you're ready to start communicating. Here you can type messages to all attendees present in the meeting. It's as simple as clicking into the text area, typing your message, and hitting enter. This can be particularly useful for sharing links, providing quick feedback, or even sending reminders without interrupting the main conversation. Remember, the chat is visible to everyone in the meeting, so it's perfect for things you want the whole group to see or discuss. If you're participating in a meeting with lots of people, keep your messages concise but clear to make sure your point gets across effectively. As you familiarize yourself with the chat box, take advantage of its efficiency. It's a great tool not just for conversation, but also for maintaining a record of things discussed. Your messages will appear in the order they're sent, helping everyone stay organized and on track throughout the meeting. And that's all there is to it. By following these easy steps, you'll be navigating the Google Meet chat box like a pro in no time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.